myself and Avril dsouza. October 31st is observed as National Unity Day. It is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who really unified the country. Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day was introduced by the Government of India in 2014 with the aim of celebrating this event. As told by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, unity removes fear and gives strength to face problems. It makes Indian citizens to realize that how a national integrity helps in defeating the actual and potential threats for unity, integrity and security for the nation. Thank you. Have a nice day.